Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Filmic Pro and granting camera, mic, and storage permissions so the app can record full-quality footage. Once done, open the main recorder and set your resolution and frame rate. Pick 4K 24 FPS for cinematic motion or 30 FPS for smoother action. Make sure to select the correct sensor mode and aspect ratio, then enable the log or flat profile to preserve highlight and shadow detail for grading later. Lock those base settings before moving to exposure and focus. Now you take direct control. Switch to manual exposure and dial ISO, shutter speed, and aperture or ND compensation. This keeps exposure consistent during the shot. Use focus peaking and magnify to nail critical focus, and monitor zebras, waveform, and histogram to protect highlights and shadow detail. For sound, set input source and trim gain, use a high-quality external mic where possible, and listen through headphones. Once your picture and levels are steady, lock exposure and focus. Finish by recording a short test clip, reviewing it in the Filmic library, and confirming exposure, focus, and audio quality. Save a preset for your camera, audio, and LUT settings so you can recall the exact setup next time. When ready, export using your chosen codec and container. Copy original files to a backup drive or cloud storage right away to prevent data loss. If you see noisy footage or dropped frames, lower bitrate. Close background apps, or restart the phone before retrying the shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.